This is the TEAMGROUP GX2. So a lot of old computers, they're getting slower there. So you want to give extra life to them. I'll be showing you how to transfer your files from your old hard drive into a newer, faster SSD. This thing can go up to 500 MBs in the read speed, a bit lower for the write speed at 480, but still that's quite faster than your older HDs. The HD can only go up to 80 to 150 MBs. So this thing is at least 3 times faster. So I'm going to be showing you how to transfer the files. I'm going to show you that this thing will create extra life for your old desktop or laptop. It has almost the same screws as your old hard drive, but it's smaller. Look at the difference in the size right there. And this thing has a box inside. So I unbox this, I'll show you how to transfer, and I'll show you the speed of how it transfers. This thing can go up to 150 MBs at best, but normally it's only 80. So we got it right here. This is the GX2. So to open it up, there are 2 places that you can actually open it. Okay. It's from here, from the top and from the bottom. Comes out like that. Quite beautiful, as you can see. Here's the back, and you can see that it actually you can place it inside your SSD or your hard drive that's ordinary, the SATA cable. Just insert it from one side and this side as well. Same procedure from using your ordinary hard drive. Very easy. I'll show you right now. Let's go. We have it right here. That's the device. I will show you how to connect it to the SATA cables. The same procedure, more or less. You can either see it here. It goes in here. You'll hear a click. Same goes here. Okay, power cable and the memory cable goes inside. Same procedure as you're doing with your ordinary hard drive. Then you click, press on. Computer turns on. The SATA cables right there, it's the same cables as your ordinary hard drive. So to insert it will be the same procedure. We have it right here. Right now you have the files here. You go to this Genius, you just download it, and then it will come out fast. Inside, you have to access the file that you want. That means you get from the mainframe, and then which hard drive or solid state drive that you wish to copy it into. There you proceed, and you have 2 choices with it. One is that you're going to be placing the files as quick reboot to it. The other is that you're going to just copy it. So here we're just copying it. It will take a while for it to copy. It takes a few minutes depending on how much files you have. The more files you have, the longer it's going to take. Here we're already copying all of the files one by one. It's coming out. I'm already fast forwarding it. Next, you can actually reboot to it. We won't reboot from it. We just go straight. Now we're testing the speed of the hard drive. As you can see, it's going to 563 on the read and 496 on the write. So even if the files are going faster, like it's 4 gig, 16 gig, it's still going on that files, and it's going that fast on it.